Prepare your defenses.
What?
Select your unit.
Coconut!
It's coconut.
She's
But
not
in
in voice
Swedish.
chat.
Coconut!
Coconut!
Gewoon kokosnoot.
Kokosnöt!
Dat
Älskar kokosnöt!
Do you even
I've never
coconut?
played Blizzardworld in competitive. What do I do? Please tell me.
I go Genji, I know Genji's good on this.
No one responds, not even you guys.
No, I don't
By the way, guys,
understand.
come here, please. Oh. Never, don't like.
You broke it!
I didn't.
Why you break?
I didn't
wasn't
think
me.
I could.
I'm a
Why?
scientist.
Why you
Mori
break?
responded to you.
Fuck your bot sexy.
So
Gotcha.
Mori,
we
stay.
stand up here.
It's work.
It was like, Mori, stay.
Okami.
We're saying.
Okami.
Yes.
Guys,
We
you
stand
think
up
girls
here.
are gay?
Alright.
Yes.
Like if you like girls, you're gay. Because girls kiss boys, and that's gay.
I agree. I
I
have kissed a girl. It was fucking gay.
No, that's
But
straight.
wouldn't that's very
Wait,
straight.
what?
Amy.
Four.
This is
Oh no,
very
never mind,
strange.
never mind. Yeah, you're boy. Yeah.
Yeah, you fucking fag.
Attackers incoming. Defend
What?
objective A.
I don't know, I'm tired, please.
How to become? Yeah, fucking awesome.
Yeah, Ryan. Why are you moving your left side?
Wait, they have a hunter and a
It's,
widow? Oh, no.
it's down, it's down. It's up again.
The run
Move
is
your
sort of
right
low.
side.
I would
The run is low, run is low.
Fuck
Never
off.
mind, not anymore.
Ooh, someone's very, very low there. Mark is dead, Mark is dead.
I got the sun. Where did the
I'm dropping.
jumper come from?
No! No, he's one, he's one, he's one! No, that's what
Oh
you
my god!
Yeah, that's what you I killed him right there. That's what
Jump right
you
here, stop still. Top left, trap. He's dead, nice.
This fucking joyride is making
Also
me
dead,
so
also
stressed.
No, fuck me. Oh, save me. I hate boys.
He's low as fuck. You gotta wait for
Oh,
me.
fuck me.
You gonna pull? Also pulling house left side. There's two people left side. House's one. He's dead, nice. We got two. Soldiers move again.
Where?
Pulling where I was.
Oh, he's one.
Soldiers one. I mean Ryan. I do not know names, my bad. Nice, and dead. Nice. Go ham, my dude.
I flew into that.
Fuck
I'm
me.
speechless. He wasn't even aiming! No.
Feels bad, man.
Yeah. I got outskilled.
Outskilled!
Yeah!
Will you look at these fancy
Oh, what? I
heroes?
triple. Lol. I
It
hit
sights up top left. Pulling jerk left side.
Ah shit. Fuck me.
No, jump! One! No, that's healing for them!
Yeah.
He got healed for
Okay, come back.
Yeah, fuck back.
No.
Right,
I'm scared.
Ryan low, Ryan low.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm switching.
They
I
use
think
them
Moira
as
got
my roll.
screwed.
I used my ult, but that's because I'm gonna switch to Ryan.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's M4.
Yeah, I can't do anything.
Objective.
No, the
It's
dog,
coming
man.
back.
Why did the default?
Stop the
Shouldn't
payload.
melt the river.
Because she's a coconut. She's a nut.
She's a nut.
Yeah, she's a nut.
Ryan's happy, bro.
They're not pushing the payload.
Shield slow, I'm back,
Yeah,
I'm back.
but this is just free time. Nice, good kill.
Wait, look at this.
Shield's back in two. I got a shield, I'm moving up. Nice, good kill. Good kills, my dude.
Not low.
Whoa!
Dude.
I
Jump
became a
left side, jump
weeaboo!
left side.
I watch anime! I broke 80! I hope that's play of the game, or it's a highlight, at least highlights.
Someone
Oh,
crouch
my heart rate is 1000 now. What the fuck?
Cookie, go up here, go up here.
I became a weeaboo.
I don't want to hold this close, to
Then
be
where?
honest.
Yeah, you should have closed it. You should have. Hold on.
Yeah, but the soldier.
You're flying back.
Nice. Thank you. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me. I couldn't do
I got
anything.
shattered. We got picks though, it's fucking nice. After you're popping off this round.
Where? Oh fuck, I'm dead. Oh. I'm dead. Like I know, I'm not even good Genji, it's because Genji's a first man. Oh, what the? I thought you charged it. Can't you one-shot the there with your charge?
No, it's
No.
75 damage.
Oh, fuck.
No, 50, it's 50 damage.
Oh.
So if Cookie had shot it beforehand, which he for
I
some
didn't
reason...
How about
even
we don't
see
blame
it?
others and blame
How did
ourselves?
you not see it? It was right in front of you!
It wasn't. It was in front of you. Your
Okay,
player model
I'm
still is in front of
I'm gonna
me.
try and get a shadow.
What charge?
Oh,
Oh,
I'm not gonna use all.
Senjata, I ulted.
I got two, never mind one. Got one, dead.
Double
Sorry, it's right.
No. She high
Oh,
charge.
sorry,
I
oh,
did.
sorry, nice.
I do not like high charge, sorry. I scary. I very scary.
Restored.
Fuck Moiras.
Got him. He walked it.
Okay, they have this, and now I
without typical skill.
XD my dudes, I'm dead.
They have
No,
monkey,
you don't.
Look at a
You
monkey
very
Zarya
good
combo.
at not going for monkey.
Nice pick.
Oh! Never mind.
Are they up top?
No.
No, they're main.
Jump it back.
They're going left side. 4 left.
30 seconds remaining.
Drunk's dead, nice. Soldier left side. He's trying to go up top. They're all going up top, watch out. I'm backing. Yep, they're all up top,
Go step.
Nice, good kill.
10
This.
Right, come for me.
No, this is gone, no! Yeah, no, don't look at this.
Zarya's marked. Monkey slow.
I saw.
Monkey going point. Good fucking
Ah,
jump
I
one.
didn't-
Well, that's that popping off XD.
Fucking popping off, then. Damn.
They got a triple XD. If he
Yeah.
steals my play of the game, I'm gonna rage quit.
score.
If you steal my play of the game, I'm gonna report you, man.
Switching sides.
I'm gonna say hello, Papa Jeff, Zen support, question mark.
Select your hero.
I go Genji again, Genji OP. Like, this map is made for Genji.
Hey, thank you, man. I'm used to it, don't worry about it. Should I go Rhine for you?
She is what we call a group leader, or I mean a team leader, yes.
Or
She
you
say,
don't
hey,
know?
this guy is there, and then I go, okay, I jump him, I kill him, easy XD. Like, if you have no team leader, you lose. So, like, or you carry. Like, I wanted to go to plat, like to throw on my second account with Dolphins, but I'm 3-4 again. Like 2 days ago I was 3-1, now I'm 3-4, like nigga.
You did really fucking good this round.
I know,
You were
because
very
again,
deep, which I don't appreciate, but you were benefiting hardcore from it, so I don't know how the fuck you did that, but you did it, so, you know.
I always, like, I play Doomfist and I learned the flanker playstyle, like, never go to the team only for healing.
Commencing.
And like, it's
Sorry,
flanker
left
is like
side,
being an
by the way.
annoying cunt. Like just hit, no, I just poke and then go away.
Alright guys, got left side,
Yeah, they have
left
to give
side.
me a potion.
Lost it. Found Vikings. Now, like... Wrong left side.
Left? Go, you go left.
Try
Wrong.
left. Monkey jump down. Back up. Alright, we
Your
got no
supports
support,
are down.
we got no support.
You wanna go through Lost and Found Vikings at the start, Okami?
Fuck.
You wanna go through Lost and Found Vikings at the start?
Yeah,
Is it
alright. I got you. Let's go through bottom left. I totally misunderstood the flank.
No, I get it.
Yeah. Let's go through bottom left. Let's group up.
Because I can force him back to point.
Alright. As long as you just don't die.
Fuck off.
Wait up for our diva. Wait up. Alright, nice.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Smoky's got no gem.
Fuck.
I can't see you because there's a fat ass.
What the fuck?
There we go.
I'm dead. Oh no, I'm 90 feet. Thanks. Fuck.
Fire.
No, I should pick.
Monkey left side. Just one. Oh my god, I got healed. No, I'm dead. You sleeping?
Yep.
Nice.
Fuck, my bad. I fuck.
Get away, he was about to wake up.
I got shatter.
Fucking kidding me? How does that?
Oh, never mind.
I was walking around it, yet it trapped me.
Jeez,
You
Louise,
didn't
what
get
is
my
happening?
bomb?
No,
That's so
apparently
weird.
not. I have no barrier. Struggling.
Should I ult you, Kami?
No.
No.
I
Oh,
am
also
the least mobile
also
character.
or Diva too.
Yeah. Diva, can we ult you when you die, but no. Alright. Nice, let's just move. Zen's ulting.
What the fuck?
Nice. Let's go. I'm going on point.
I'm gonna EMP.
Straight on point. Grumpy EMP on point. Huh?
No, trap! What the fuck? The trap!
There's Zen behind us. Mora's dead.
That's good.
Good shit, guys. I got shatter. We got a fist and a nano still.
I got a fist.
This is a really good ult, Steve.
Objective
Trying to
A
zone them out.
captured. Escort the payload.
I always have a fist. Stay
I'm not gonna feed you, by the way. You should let Zen heal. So he can get his ult.
What the fuck? They're really close. What are?
I don't know what they're doing here, to be honest.
Monkey's left side. Okay, jump back.
They might want to hold it close so they get another chance to contest.
I got one currently. Zen low. Zen dead, nice. Get that Arista. Good shit.
Guys. I'm out of here.
I'm out of here.
Be good in place.
Can we nano, actually nano me
I'm
this
gonna need
fight,
it
right?
later.
Nano me
Yeah.
this fight. Jump top left, he's on point. One. behind
No,
dead.
the traps. They're so
The
random.
monkey behind. Oh my god, I fucked up. We're gonna track for him.
Monkey slept. Point.
Just whoa.
There's a tire coming in. Behind. No! I held him! I am an idiot. I held him left so I can turn around. I turned around and held him left click so I didn't actually turn around. I just looked behind myself. Ah, I'm crying.
Feels bad.
Yeah.
Ultimate is charging.
Fuck off, Mora.
I'm not as young as I used to be.
Not here coming.
Okay, wait.
How far can we MP?
Now I'm gonna switch.
Alright.
I'm working.
Monkey jumping in, monkey jumping in.
Fuck off, soldier. Really annoying.
I'm letting my shield charge.
Where the fuck is he?
They're far down.
Want to tell me him again?
Carriera? No, he's one.
Moira Hall.
Good, good. I got better.
Moira Hall. Moira Hall.
Wait, one. Definitely one. Dead. Soldier trap trap.
Oh my...
He's half.
What is this trap?
Nice, GG.
What the fuck?
We just capped.
I
Yeah,
want...
shattered him!
Is my play of the game? Yes.
Play of the game.
Yes, look, I become pro gang.
Oh,
I have autism. Look, I have... Oh, it's not this one. No, it's bad. It's bad.
Look at that soldier. Look at that soldier just giving up.
I give
Woo!
you Mori.
Diva got golden limbs! Damn!
Impeccable.
Ah!
Yes.
Yeah, GG, man. Hope I'll see you around. Level up!
Ciao. Ananas bäst.